Are you a follower or a leader? Have you ever wondered what sets leaders apart from followers? Or perhaps you've questioned which one you are. In today's fast-paced world, it's more important than ever to understand our roles in society and learn how to excel in them. In this video, we'll be discussing the age-old question, are you a follower or a leader? We'll explore the key differences between the two, and help you identify where you might fall on this spectrum. Let's start by discussing the primary characteristics of a follower. Followers are essential team members who support and execute the vision set by their leader. They are not necessarily passive or weak, instead, they possess the ability to understand the bigger picture and make informed decisions based on the guidance of their leader. Followers are skilled at collaborating and contributing to the team's success, and they often have strong communication skills. They are also flexible, adaptive, and open to change, making them invaluable assets to any organization. On the other hand, leaders are the visionaries and driving forces behind any successful team or organization. They are responsible for inspiring, motivating, and guiding others toward a common goal. Leaders possess strong communication and decision-making skills, and they are able to clearly articulate their vision and strategy to their team. They have the ability to think critically and creatively, often identifying innovative solutions to complex problems. Leaders are also resilient and resourceful, displaying an unwavering commitment to their goals, even in the face of adversity. Now that we've established the key differences between followers and leaders, it's time to evaluate which category you might fall into. It's important to remember that being a leader or a follower is not a fixed state, rather, it's a fluid continuum that we can move along throughout our lives. To help you determine your current position on this spectrum, consider the following questions. 1. Do you typically take charge in group settings or prefer to contribute as a team member? 2. Are you comfortable with responsibility and decision-making, or do you prefer to seek guidance from others? 3. Do you enjoy the process of creating new ideas and strategies, or do you excel at executing tasks based on someone else's vision? 4. Would you describe yourself as a natural motivator and influencer, or do you thrive when being led by a strong leader? Your answers to these questions should provide some insight into whether you lean toward being a follower or a leader. Remember, there's no right or wrong answer here. Both roles are integral to the success of any team or organization. Now, you might be wondering, can I become a leader if I am currently more of a follower? The answer is a resounding yes. Leadership is a skill that can be developed through practice, experience, and self-reflection. Here are some tips for cultivating your leadership abilities. 1. Develop your communication skills. Strong leaders are effective communicators. Practice active listening, articulate your thoughts clearly, and learn to express your ideas with confidence. 2. Embrace responsibility. Leaders are accountable for their actions and decisions. Take ownership of your work, accept responsibility for any mistakes, and learn from them to grow as a leader. 3. Think critically and creatively. Learn to analyze situations from multiple perspectives and develop innovative solutions to problems. This will help you stand out as a forward-thinking leader. 4. Build resilience. Leaders face challenges and obstacles, but they persevere and maintain a positive outlook. Develop your mental toughness and learn to bounce back from setbacks. In conclusion, understanding whether you're a follower or a leader is crucial for personal growth and professional development. By identifying your strengths and areas for improvement, you can work towards becoming a more effective and impactful individual. Remember that leadership is a skill that can be developed, and with dedication and practice, anyone can learn to lead others to success. So, take charge of your own journey and make the conscious decision to grow, adapt, and evolve, whether you're a follower or a leader.